Hey YouTube, this is Wyman Jr. and I recently purchased a Neiko stainless steel caliper. This is a caliper pretty much. It comes with a LCD screen, digital caliper, some features right there. Large LCD, metric and SAE digital display, fluid resistance stainless steel frame, precision ground jaw depth, on and off, automatic shut off, resolution, accuracy, one extra free battery. I got this because a lot of people on Amazon, and that's where I purchased one from Amazon, been getting a lot of good reviews, and I needed one for automotive, just to like measure some stuff and shotgun shell reloading, and so I went with this one. This is pretty much the box that it comes with. Nothing cool or anything, but yeah. This is a case. It's a hard case actually. Let me show you the price, what I paid for it. Okay, I paid $15.99, and the full name, if you want to look it up on Amazon, it is Neiko stainless steel 6-inch digital caliper with extra large LCD screen. Alright, and it was sold to me by ALS Group Inc. And for the price, I think this was a pretty good buy. Like I said, it's back to the product. It's hard case. You open it up. What you find is the owner's manual. Some calibrations right there, some numbers. I don't know if you can actually see that. Right there. I'm not going to go through it, but I'm just going to show you some features of the caliper itself, the accuracy of it, temperature where to store it, extra battery and whatnot. And then on the right side you actually have some examples and what the caliper would actually be used for, and then the title of this one is actually caliper applications. So you got pretty much anything. You could measure the outside, measure the depth, measure a step. They actually call this measurements of steps, measurements of internal dimensions and measurements of external dimensions. Pretty good. And obviously troubleshooting and your care and maintenance. Alright, good to the products. The product comes in this Ziploc bag with this gel. Do not eat. Alright. Inside the case it comes with an extra battery and a battery already installed. Alright. This is in inches and millimeters. I don't know if you can see that. And then on and off, 0 right there. And you got your numbers. Inches, obviously, the tall one. And then millimeters, centimeters, stainless steel, hardened. That's the front. You also got this free floating wheel right here to have a fairly good number, like to get to an accurate number if you wanted to. A locking nut on the back. You have just the stainless steel with if you want to measure the depth of anything, this it's inside. You got some numbers for measuring units down there. I don't know if you could actually see that, but there you go, you can see it. On the bottom right here you got inches, grain, slice inches, millimeters, and millimeters again. I don't know what these are for. If any of y'all know, just let me know, because I don't know what these are used for. Type of battery uses one, I believe it says 1.55 volts. I don't know if you can see the dot, that's why. Alright. So the case, pretty good actually. would trust this thing inside of it. Right here, you actually have like a, you actually like a compartment. You take this off, like right there. See? Put it back in. One battery, caliper, manual, Ziploc, whatever you want to call the bag. Right, the product itself. Turn it on. You would just either push on or just move the caliper and it'll turn on. Inches is in inches right now. So if you want to go to inches to millimeters, you press the top one, converts to millimeters, zeroed it in. Let's say you want to find the difference of two objects, you would press 0, and then let's say the object was bigger than the first object, then that's your difference. On and off, there you go, turn it back on, and you're still there. Alright, so whenever you want to restart a project or restart measuring, zero it in, do it like, I would do it like once or twice, zero it in, and then there you go, you're ready to do it once again. So you got your internal to measure anything inside, your external measure anything outside. So let's say you wanted to measure the top of the spray thingy. Well, let's measure the top of the spray thingy, and you get 9.93 millimeters. You want inches? Well, just press the button. You get inches. Yep, losing focus there. Okay, there you go. By the way, this is a new camera, so let me know how this works. I was using another camera for my firearm videos, and it didn't go well, too far. I mean, well, that well. So then you got your internal. Let's go over here to measure the top of the Coke bottle, or Sprite bottle actually. Put in there. You got your measurement. Pull it out. There you go. 0.682 inches, millimeters, 17.33 millimeters. Close it. Alright. You want to measure the depth of something? Well, let's measure the depth of this right here. I don't know if you can see. There's actually, okay, now you can see. There's actually, the base of it's deeper than the top, so you want to find out, oh well, what is the difference? I mean, what is the depth of the base? Alright. Oops, that isn't too accurate, is it? You guys can't see, can you? It's okay, because I can't see neither. Right, that's about it right there. See, little tab down there. And then you go to your 7.9 millimeters, alright? Inches, 0.279 inches. You want to lock it, just twist it clockwise and it's locked. Let's see if I can move it anywhere. Unlock it counterclockwise, alright? Free, the wheel right here actually is pretty good because that's if you wanted to measure something precise, you just have to move it a tad bit. You're moving that thing along just fine. This is a great product. Probably recommend this to anybody, mechanic, anybody that's doing something small to medium applications. If you want a large one, I don't know if they sell this in an 8-inch or 10-inch, but this is fairly good product. Sorry I'm going so slow about this, but I just wanted you to know how this product is really nice. Actually, it is beefy, it's kind of heavy, and where the battery change, let me turn it off first, is right here. You pull this tab and there's your battery. You push back the tab and it's done. Alright, if you guys got any questions or anything about it, just let me know. This is a pretty nice device, tool to have. not a device. Pretty nice. Restriction whenever you open it, from the steel to steel, it's fairly smooth. I mean, it glides up and down, not too smooth or too rough. You could actually probably just have it set open without locking the tab if it's not too hard getting in and out from the object that you're measuring. So it's actually pretty good. I would actually recommend this if you guys are looking for a caliper. Once again, this is a Neiko digital caliper. You got your external, internal, and depth measurements, and you got units right there. And that's about it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Comments, you're free to comment. And this is a new camera. It is a Fiji F550EXR. Let me know how the video quality is, and I would appreciate it if it's better because it looks better from here. Alright, take care.